Konichiwa kimono wearers, let's go feasting in Nozawa Onsen. There are heaps of great places to eat. We start things at Toyo Ramen. See the description for details on all places mentioned, which, surprise surprise, serves up great ramen, plus a few sides and other dishes. Like most places here, it's kinda small, maybe 30 people max. The owner is friends with a former Winter Olympian. The standard pork ramen and its big brother, the chashu ramen, are great, as is the wonton ramen. They are manna from heaven. Me so hungry. Go the raw egg for some extra protein. This place is well worth a visit. Delish with a capital lish. Next up we have Izakaya Tsukushinbo, another hit and directly opposite Toyo Ramen. As an izakaya, this place serves up plenty of smaller dishes, plus some noodle dishes, and don't forget the Jap beers and sake. Shochu mixed with a fresh fruit juice is another drink served up at plenty of places, definitely worth a try or 7. Tsukushinbo has both Japanese and Western seating. All the food was delish, no bad choices here.
What mushroom is that?
In the background is shochu with grapefruit. Start with matcha cocktail, finish with matcha ice cream. Daimon's speciality is soba noodles, served hot or cold. This place is tight, 20-25 people max. Soba dishes start from about 750 yen. One thing that surprised us on this trip was the reasonable cost of great food. Clearly we're not eating top shelf wagyu steaks, but everything we had was super tasty, delish, yummy.
A little bit.
Sienna, can I try some of this?
Yeah.
We're going to try it together.
Mushroom.
The crunchiest mushroom.
Is that crunchy mushroom?
Yeah, listen.
Oh.
If the thought of more noodles or rice has you contemplating hari curry, then head to Genki Burger, which serves up very decent burgers. The places seem to be getting smaller and smaller, but if you're craving a burger, this is the place to head in Nozawa. They have some good craft Jap beers too. There's about a dozen different burgers to choose from, including veggie options for you heathens, plus loaded fries various ways. Most of the burgers are about 1500 yen. Definitely not a bargain, but they were pretty good, and loaded fries 1000 yen. After Genki Burger, let's get back on the Jap train. How about Wakagiri, which pretty much covers every Japanese base? Shohei Ohtani would be proud. Ordering is made simple on a tablet. Sushi, udon, soba, ramen, katsu rice dishes, and all damn tasty. Seafood is fresh as, it's melt in your mouth deliciousness. That's how good it is. And these Don dishes hit the spot too, thanks to Don, whoever he is. Chicken. Next up we have some traditional snacks. First is oyaki. These are stuffed buns with different sweet and savoury fillings. Things like mushrooms, pickled vegetables, apple and cinnamon, red bean, pumpkin. Not all in the same one, that would be massive. They're nice and warm, so a perfect snack while having a little wander.
What is this? A banana cream crepe?
Banana roll.
Banana roll.
Second snack is banana crepe. Basically it tastes like a cooked banana wrapped in cream sponge cake. Next up is Sol Green, which serves a range of burritos and sandwiches, but the reason we frequented this place was for the matcha latte and hot chocolate, both perfect when you're coming in from the cold. This is Food Village, basically a food court in a shed. There are about 6 places to choose from, one serving up Thai food, the others Japanese. You can get your ramen here, your katsu rice dishes, gyozas, takoyaki, tempura, udon, fried rice. You should be able to find something. This place is handy if you can't get into your first choice. The food was all okay, it's just a different atmosphere to places like Toyo, Daimon and Izakayas. Wouldn't be my first option for that reason. And this is Totorina Izakaya, just down from the Chuo bus terminal. Occasionally you get a whiff of this smoky goodness coming from the kitchen. This is the chicken yakitori set. Chicken done 4 ways, from memory thigh, breast, skin and chicken ball, plus a mushroom one for balance. Can't remember what I paid for it. I don't think any more than 1500 yen. We couldn't stop eating takoyaki while in Nozawa. That's one satisfied customer. There are a handful of bars in town. This is the intimate foot bar on Oyudori, the main street in Nozawa. It's where we developed our appreciation for yuzu liqueur. 800 yen a pour here, but get some duty free when you fly out. 2,000 yen for 750 meals. And back at Toyo Ramen, one of my favourite places in Nozawa. We ate here multiple times during our stay. Definitely try the wonton ramen and the chashu ramen with its extra servings of pork. Well, I'm ready to explode now. You definitely won't go hungry while in Nozawa, and there were plenty of places we would have loved to have tried but ran out of time. Chanko Nabe, numerous izakayas and sushi places, they're on the list for next year. But for now, and as usual, arigatou gozaimasu for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!